Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to enable night mode on Pinterest. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your Pinterest account, after which you click here. Once you're there, you simply click on the setting button, after which you click on account management. Once you're there, you simply see it enable night mode. So guys, we are just on enabling night mode. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.